Mario and Luigi drift together, sun shining and worries far away. The ocean stays gentle, and both brothers forget the world behind. Luigi stretches out, book in hand. Mario keeps the course steady. For now, nothing breaks the peace between sky and sea. But adventure always finds Mario and Luigi when they least expect it. Luigi spots strange bubbles swirling near their boat. Mario can't resist a mystery. He hurries to see for himself. The sea begins to shimmer with colors no one expects. Suddenly, the yacht rocks and the calm is gone. Now, both brothers stare, waiting for whatever comes next. A whirlpool appears, and Mario and Luigi hold on tight. The yacht is caught and pulled into the swirling water. Down and down they go, with no way to stop. Golden light surrounds the brothers as they squeeze their eyes shut. Everything glows. What waits for them on the other side? Mario and Luigi open their eyes at last. The yacht drifts on a river beneath the sea. Rainbow fish zip by, faster than you can blink. Enormous sea turtles glide past the brothers in silence. Mario and Luigi stare in wonder, breathing underwater, wide-eyed with surprise. The yacht glides into a city built from coral and dreams. Seahorses and dolphins in golden crowns welcome their new guests. King Dolphin greets Mario and Luigi with a wave of friendly fins. He tells how the city's pearl has vanished, leaving everyone worried. With the pearl missing, Mario and Luigi promise to help find it. So the brothers set out, heading for the trench's shadowy edge. Step by step, Mario and Luigi brave the mysterious deep. The path grows darker, but the brothers do not turn back. At last, they find a cave. Kraken's tentacles block the only way inside. Mario and Luigi crouch low, ready for whatever comes next. The brothers slip into the cave, hearts pounding in the dark. Every step brings Mario and Luigi closer to danger. Suddenly, the cave shakes. A kraken roars from deep inside. Red eyes glare through the darkness, filling the cave with dread. Mario and Luigi hide, but the kraken blocks their only way out. The chase is on. Tentacles swipe, but the brothers dodge away. Mario leaps high while Luigi scrambles along the rocky wall. Rocks and clouds of ink fly. Nothing is safe in this cave. The kraken's fury fills the air, but hope is not lost. Luigi spots a glowing pearl. Maybe, just maybe, that's their chance. Mario risks it all, luring the kraken away with wild faces. Now the kraken is furious, and Mario must run for his life. Meanwhile, Luigi sneaks close and takes the glowing pearl. The pearl bursts with light, brighter than anything deep below. The whole cave shines. The kraken shrinks from the dazzling beam. The light grows stronger until the kraken flees into the dark sea. Mario and Luigi sail back to the Coral City, hearts pounding. The pearl returns home. The city glows, dolphins leap, fish twirl. A magical whirlpool lifts them up. Luigi hears music as they rise. Safe and sound, the brothers sail home under the shining sun.